Question 20 is another will be our syllabus question. Okay, I really love this part. Very fancy question. Look at the decay here, right? A particle decay into this thing. So look at here, very similar, right? A muon plus is produced. So remember similarity. Remember if it is position is produced, what will be its partner? Yes, electron neutrino. So very similar. So we have a mu plus is produced. Its partner will be muon neutrino. And you know, lepton is involved, so it must be a weak nuclear force. So the exchange particle can be W plus, W minus, or Z0, or Z neutral, you can say. Depends on whether there is charge transfer during this process. See, on the left hand side is a plus, right hand side also plus. Of course, the positive charge has to be transferred from left to right, right? So the exchange particle must carry this positive charge to the right hand side. So the exchange particle is W plus, and the other is A. Thank you.